Hey there, do-it-yourselfers, coming at you from the semi-quarantine area, and wanted to give you a bonus video this month since I'm just a slight bit behind. So just a quick video tip for you today. I just got a new muffler, but the problem is didn't really need a new muffler. I had a Magnaflow before. This is a Magnaflow. But the problem was the weld failed and rusted out, and my tailpipe became disconnected right at this joint right here. And unfortunately, it was so close. I mean, the muffler was, and basically it was back in here. Really, is where it was, and it was just so close to the muffler that I had no choice but to get another muffler. And that weld was okay. I mean, it lasted for several years, but I felt like, well, the muffler's fine. I mean, so why do I have to buy a new muffler just because of a weld? So what happened was, as soon as I had this muffler welded in, I went ahead and treated the welds and the seams with rust treatment, and then sprayed high heat paint over the entire assembly, the welds, pipes, muffler, and the tailpipe coming out towards the back, just for orientation. Front of the truck is up there, resonator, cat, and then coming back this way, and that's all original Toyota tailpipe there. And then the new Magnaflow, and then going in, they had to put in some new aluminized pipe. Then you can see the again, the Toyota tailpipe still hanging in there. And what I did was I treated all of that with the rust inhibitor and the high heat paint. And I like the sound of the Magnaflow. I'll let you hear that in just a minute. Here's the products I used. I like the SEM brand. I've used the Rust Mort before, but I like the Rust Seal because it provides more of a coating. This is not real cheap, but it does work. I think I paid about $50 for that bottle. And then I went over it with the high heat paint. Don't get the engine heat. I'm sorry, the engine paint. Get the high heat paint. The engine paint is only about 500 degrees, whereas this goes up to 2,000. Does it really go up to that amount? Probably not, but it is better than just regular paint or even engine paint as well. Doesn't matter the brand. Again, just get the high heat. This was all they had at Walmart. I'd never seen a clear high heat, but that's all they had, like I say, due to the COVID, I guess. But this worked really well, and I was pleased with it. Here's another angle from the back of the muffler. Again, you can see the welds there, and you can see the high shine off of the muffler and the tailpipe that comes from the high heat paint. Is it going to last forever? Well, heck no, it's not going to last forever. Will outlast the truck? Probably not. Will it last several years more than what it would without any treatment? Yeah, I think so. I'll let you listen to it in just a minute. Well, that was the sound. Pretty mellow. Sounds even better under load. It's a good way to go. Cheaper than an all stainless steel system, or at least a cat bag. Hope you enjoyed the quick tip. Everyone stay safe and enjoy spending time with your family during this period of time. Please subscribe and like. Appreciate y'all. God bless.